market. What a downfall is what we're currently seeing. So let me welcome on board both Kunal as well as Nooresh and try and understand first their market view, and then of course we'll talk about the Chartbusters as well. If we can just start off with the Nifty line graph firstly. Kunal, what is it that you're making of this sudden fall? We're now staring lower by 200 points on the Nifty futures. No, 264 points.
Yeah, and I think the major part of the selling started off when the index came very close to that 25,000 mark and a break below those levels. And I think that's one of the major reasons why you're seeing the pace of correction intensifying. So, it now depends that whether we scale back above the 25,000 mark. If we manage to do it, then potentially over the next couple of days, we might see more of a muted price action and sector churn, which could probably play out, some bit of profit booking, which could happen into stocks. But if we sustain below this 25,000 mark, then I believe that the near-term pressure could probably increase for the indices.
Okay, near-term pressure could only up from here, 200 points lower and still slipping even further. But Kunal, any breakout or any breakdown chartbuster that you may have identified?
So I've picked up a stock which is doing pretty well for itself, DMart, Avenue Supermart, and the stock which has over the last many weeks and months gone to a breakout mode. So recently what we saw for the stock was a breakout above the 4,000 mark. This was at the first couple of months of 2024. From here on, the stock ended a major phase of consolidation, almost like a 1.5 odd year of consolidation. Post a breakout, the stock has gone to a step movement on the upside. Every now and then the stock gets into a phase of a rally, a pause, and then a further breakout. So which means that the recent support for the stock for DMart is closer to 4,800 levels. That could be kept as a closing based stop loss for traders who are holding on to long positions on a very short term basis, and you can probably expect that the uptrend will continue and the stock may come back towards a potential breakout or a retest of the previous highs of 5,700, 800 levels.
All right, Nooresh, meantime, let's find out your chartbuster call.
So that's a chart for Dabur India. The stock topped out around this 650, 660 mark back in 2021 end and corrected all the way down to sub 500 levels. Has made a good recovery over the last 6 months. Multiple tops around that 650 to 660 mark. 4 attempts over the last few weeks. Once it breaks above those levels, could attempt a move towards 700 to 740. So a preemptive buy here, a good risk reward trade. Stop loss at 635. Target price of 700 to 740.
Okay, let's get your picks going, Nooresh.
So that would be a buy on first on Max Financial Services. The stock is on verge of a breakout into new all-time high. Stop loss at 1100, target price of 1250. Second is a buy on Coforge, which has done well over the last 2-3 sessions. Good momentum. Stop loss at 6550, target price of 7000.
Okay. Right. Kunal, what about your stock ideas?
So I'll go with the first one is a buy on ICICI Lombard. The stock looking pretty okay for itself over the last few weeks. So would look out for targets in the range of 2330. Stop loss could be kept at 2225. And the second would be a sell on Gale. The stock is confirming a breakdown below its 50-day moving average. So sell with a target of 215. Stop loss at 228.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.